Hello everyone. Today we're using GDevelop. GDevelop is made for video games. It's you can edit video games. Also, you can make video games. So today we are going to make a platformer. It will be more than two parts. So let's get right into it. First, I'll call it platformer. Platformer. Now you can click on, you can optimize it, or you could do this. I would like to optimize so that it will be better. If you don't have any like if you don't have any like profile, then just if you have any like pixel editor, like pixel art thing, like pixel or something, not this, but yeah, any pixel art like I forgot about it. Pixel art like this. So yes, so let's go right into it. So okay, we'll create this project. It'll take some time because it's making a whole new editor. Plus now we have this scene. We have the events, and then now we have this. First, we want to add an object. We can go to new object from scratch. If you're not signed in, just go here and then click on characters, and then you can you could use like RPG characters, but I don't recommend it because we're doing side scrolling. First, we won't do scrolling anything. We just start with this. Let's start. Add new object. Okay, new object from scratch. A sprite. Behaviors, just use this platformer character. Okay, no problem. Add an animation. Create with pixel. Now pixel, already you could just use this pixel. Oh, okay. I like to call it pixel, but yeah. So we have this 32 by 32. We'll start with 16 by 16. Yeah. Yeah. This is enough. So what we want is a character. First, we'll just start with a normal, just a block color, you use a fill tool. Use you fill. Now it's a black. Look here. You just create a palette. You can put whatever color you want. I want this type of color. I want to save this. Take this. Fill it. Now, of course, you could make one more, and then just make one more. Put a deep black. You can also put this to 0. This is exactly what we need now. You can make very big eyes. I like this, so let me click on save. We're importing it. As soon as we import, we have this. We apply. Now we drag it here. Okay. Now if we preview this, it'll fall because the platformer has gravity. Like that. So now we need an actual ground. So to make a ground, all we have to do, you could use the assets from there, or you could just tell, not sprite, cancel. Just click on this. Oh, no. First, if you have done something wrong, here, if it's like this, just delete. Yes, we need to. You could use asset store. You could. I like asset store because it's very nice. You can get whatever you want for full game props, backgrounds, and etc. First, I'll use this. Okay, props. Now we'll use something like like you could use one of these, like these kind of tiles. Oh, this is so yeah. But now I'll just go here, tile sprite, new tile sprite. Instead, I'll just call it TILE, tile. Let me capitalize it. Tile sprite, tile underscore 1. Edit. If you already have one, just use it. We'll all. This is a little too big, so then what we have to do is go to. Is that? Here, preferences. Here, no. Yeah, here only. Resize. Now instead of like this, we need 16 by 16 again. Now what we need to do is find a new color, put this, and this is all of this, right? That same color, but way darker. This. So now we'll save this. I want to use color number 3, and I want to fill. You just click on control. For example, control. What's that? Yeah, B. This is what we got. Now we save this. Okay. Now we have this. We click on properties is done. Behaviors. Add your behavior. Now click on platform. You can put like this. You can apply. As soon as we apply, wait. And here we need to go closer. Even closer. Yeah. So now we have this going through the whole screen. Now we'll preview. As soon our play will fall down like this, we just go like this. We don't have scrolling, so we'll never know. And we also don't have any like jumping. There's only this. And it is infinite falling. So now I'll wrap up today. And thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. like it and share it. Bye.